of his performance, because that will help him to become a better leader. Sio tumekubaliana? Next time, let us have 2 or 3 performances. One on the finance bill and what you think about it. Because it is good, it will help the president. So, Your Excellency, drama and arts and the creative economy continues to be a social intervener in terms of shaping the way people behave and the way they think. It was through song, dance, and drama that young people were able to help the people of Kenya to deal with HIV and AIDS. There was a continuous narrative, continuous performances, until the people of Kenya appreciated the danger that was posed by HIV and AIDS. I want to urge our young people, the content creators, to continue having social interventions to help the Kenyan people. I was very pleased to see Matuga Gaos here present a presentation on drug abuse and the effects of drug abuse, which we are having a big problem at the coast. I want to invite more presentations on the issues of illicit brews and drug abuse so that we continue to educate our people and to create more awareness around them through performances. I was very pleased to see a dance on Cherono about the banditry and cattle rustling activities in the North Rift. Those are good social interventions for society, and I want to urge you to continue. Of course, the play of the day, The Eyes Have It by Riara, was a masterpiece. People must stop living in denial and be like Gachagua, the truthful man. That play is a must for the Azimio brigade. You need to perform that play to them so that they live with reality that elections are over and William Ruto is the president of the Republic of Kenya. People must not continue living in denial. People must accept reality. They must accept circumstances and learn how to live with them. We want to urge them to accept reality and learn how to live and move on, because that is the reality. So, Your Excellency, we are very pleased, and this